Oh, this is a beautiful house for rentals. They are nice shops. They are big in size. You can see the road. The town is very good. You see, it has the front and the side. In the side, there are 3 rooms. Both rooms are there are 2 rooms actually, and in the middle there is a gate. Both rooms they are double. Even the front rooms they are double. Even the other side they are also 2 and they are double. Cause this side, this there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 shops. Also they are double in front and behind. Then the back side, this is the downer side. As we are getting there, this is the vacant place. There are some good fits from here up to the other point, to this point. We have up to the other tree. If you can see it. So this I think this is a 100. It is 100 by 100, 25 decimals. Behind, in front, behind. That's how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. All rooms they are like this. And see the top. It has outside toilets, and actually each shop inside has a toilet. Can you see here? This is how they are. It's double room. There's toilet inside. The rooms are big. 15 feet. Yeah, that's it. All doors are metallic. All doors are metallic, except the doors inside for the toilet, but the rest are metallic.